In this one, we are busting one of the biggest nutrition myths out there, that fat is the main villain when it comes to heart health. What if I told you that unregulated blood sugar, not fat, is doing far more damage to your heart, your energy, your hormones, and even your brain? Let's dive into why balancing your blood sugar should be your number one priority and how Ayurveda and modern science are on the same page here. For decades, we were told, eat low fat to protect your heart. So what happened? People got fat, but sugar, refined carbs, and artificial ingredients increased, and chronic diseases like diabetes, obesity, and heart conditions skyrocketed. New research now shows that it is not dietary fat that's the main issue. It's insulin resistance, driven by unstable blood sugar. You see, every time you eat highly processed carbs, sugary snacks, or even large quantities of healthy carbs on an empty stomach, your blood sugar spikes and then crashes. Your body releases insulin to remove that excess sugar, and if this happens often, your cells stop responding, and that's insulin resistance. The root cause of high blood pressure, high triglycerides, belly fat, inflammation, hormonal imbalances, and yes, even heart disease. Your heart doesn't like sugar spikes. They damage blood vessels and cause oxidative stress. In Ayurveda, food is medicine and balance is key. When Agni, that is your digestive fire, is weak or imbalanced due to poor food choices or erratic eating, Ama, that is toxins, build up. Ama clogs srotas, that is the body's channels, including your circulatory system. This concept mirrors what modern science calls arterial plaque or inflammation in your blood vessels. Ayurveda emphasizes on balanced meals, stable digestion, eating with the rhythms of the day, all of which will keep your blood sugar naturally balanced. Blood sugar spikes don't just harm your heart, they also affect your brain, energy, sleep, as well as your hormones, and you'll see this as brain fog, anxiety, depression, mood swings, afternoon crashes, poor sleep quality, worsened PMS, PCOS, and even thyroid issues. Even your skin and aging are linked to glycation when excess sugar damages collagen. So yes, heart health is a big one, but your entire body is impacted by poor blood sugar regulation. So here are some simple but powerful tips you can start using today. First of all, don't skip meals, especially breakfast. Eat within 60 to 90 minutes of waking, and favor proteins, fats, and fiber in every meal. Also, try to avoid eating naked carbs. By that I mean you need to always pair your carbs with healthy fats and proteins to slow down sugar release. Also, you may start your meals with vegetables. Leafy greens or sauteed veggies first will actually slow down the glucose spikes. Take a short walk after meals. A simple 10-minute stroll after eating helps your muscles absorb glucose more efficiently, supporting better blood sugar balance. And remember, spices are your allies. Cinnamon, fenugreek, turmeric, ginger all help regulate blood sugar. Include these daily in your teas, curries, or warm water. And last but not the least, prioritize stress management and quality sleep. You see, when stress raises cortisol, blood sugar rises too. So protect your health by nurturing deep rest and a calmer mind. So don't fear fat, fear blood sugar. It's not about counting calories or going low fat. It's all about creating meals and daily habits that keep your blood sugar stable and your energy steady. If you want more practical, holistic guidance on this topic, please do explore my self-paced online course on balancing blood sugar naturally. Get in touch with me at myholistickitchen.com. If this was helpful, please give it a like, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe for more Ayurvedic wellness insights. Namaste.